Who went missing in Pakistan returned home today. According to Pakistani media reports, both clerics had been in interior Sindh where there was no communication network, and that is why they could not inform their relatives about their whereabouts. But that facade was exposed when clerics on their arrival said that it was due to a report in a Lahore-based paper that created the issue. Here's a detailed report.
The long wait has come to an end. The two Indian clerics, including the head priest of Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah, who went missing in Pakistan last week, returned to Delhi. Sayyid Asif Nizami and his nephew Nazim Ali Nizami were welcomed at the airport by their family members and a group of well-wishers. Asif Nizami is also the head priest of the Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia Dargah. Special prayers were offered at the Nizamuddin Dargah to thank the Almighty for their return. The two had gone to Lahore on 8th of March but went missing last week, following which India took up the issue with Pakistan. The main purpose of the visit of Asif to Pakistan was to see his sister in Karachi.
मैं इस मौके पर आप सबका भी शुक्रगुजार हूं जिन्होंने मोहब्बत दिखाई। सुषमा जी का शुक्रगुजार हूं कि उन्होंने जो दिलचस्पी ली राजनाथ साहब से, और तमाम लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं।
The question remains, where were they all this time? Newspaper Ummat published from Lahore claims that the clerics had links with MQM or Muttahida Qawmi Movement, a political party in Pakistan, and Indian security agencies. They were offloaded from Karachi-bound Shaheen Airlines on 14th of March at the Allama Iqbal International Airport in Lahore and were detained for a few days. The son of the head priest, Sayyid Sajid Nizami, claims that the clerics were picked by Pakistan's intelligence agencies after the news reports surfaced.
इसके अंदर उनके खिलाफ आया था कि इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस के लिए काम करते हैं या पाकिस्तान में, इसी बेस के ऊपर इनको जो है लिया था पूछताछ के लिए.
However, Nazim Nizami has rejected the allegations made by the paper Ummat.
हम लोग सब मोहब्बत से प्यार से यहाँ रहते हैं, मगर कुछ खबीस ऐसे भी हैं जो इनको ये प्यार की बात पसंद नहीं है. एक उम्मत अखबार है जो इस तरह की इन मोहब्बत की बातों को प्रचार नहीं करने देना चाहता, और उसके अंदर वो मुख्तलिफ तरीके से झूठे बयान और झूठे फोटो और झूठी चीजों को प्रिंट करता रहता है.
The two clerics, along with their family members, also met with the External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. On Saturday, Pakistan conveyed to India that clerics had been traced and had reached Karachi. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj had taken up the issue with Pakistan's Prime Minister's advisor on foreign affairs, Sartaj Aziz, and requested him to trace the missing clerics.
The clerics have finally arrived at the Dargah and have confessed that they were detained by Pakistani security agencies on the basis of a report in a newspaper which was published from Lahore, stating they had links with MQM, which is a party in Pakistan. Meanwhile, they have also thanked the Indian government and the External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj for prompt response and the reason that they are back here at the Dargah. With camera person SP Dubey, Siddhant Sibul, DD News, New Delhi.